How important are details? Well, every roof system in the world that leaks at the details. It leaks at the edge, the perimeter, the drains, the parapet wall, the flashings, the curbs, the skylights, the ponding water, you name it. The devil is in the details. If every roof was completely flat with a little bit of slope to it, with no rooftop equipment or penetrations, most roofs would last a very, very, very long time. Because roof systems, for the most part, don't fail in the field. They fail at all the details and all the penetrations. And if we're making rolls of material in a factory that are designed for a contractor to install, and they have to use 9 tools, and they got to prefabricate a flashing, and they got to take a hose clamp and glue the things together and weld them with a hot air welder and whatnot in order to make them watertight, well, that doesn't really work. So your roof is not the test bed to figure out if their flat roll materials is going to work on your building. The word seamless comes to mind, because if we could take a roof and make it seamless, we can pretty much eliminate the details. But also, engineering needs to go into a roof system to be able to allow slip when roofs need to move. It needs to allow redundancy at penetrations to say, hey, maybe we should put some waterproofing before the flashing that comes out onto the deck, install the flashing, install another piece of material that attaches to the flashing, and then attach the roof over the top of that. Triple layers of redundancy. Redundancy is the name of the game. Roofs must have slip, they must have stretch, they must be redundant. And if we can make a roof redundant with multiple layers, triple redundancy, quadruple redundancy in a lot of cases, then you can eliminate the leaks at the penetrations. But we can't really do that with roll-based systems, because while rolls are great to make in a factory and roll up into a roll, it's got to be shipped to the job site, loaded up on your roof, and it's got to be assembled and welded and glued together by the contractor. Doesn't make much sense. What does make sense is seamless, from the top of the wall to the bottom of the drain with triple redundancy. If we can make roofs like bathtubs, one place for them to leak at the drain, and have triple redundancy going down into a drain, you make a roof that you can plug the drain, fill it up with water, and make it impossible for it to leak, like a bathtub. Now, don't do that, but the idea of details is very simple. WeatherWeld eliminates the details because we have triple redundancy.